Learn how to master GitHub folders and file uploads, crucial skills for organized and efficient coding. First, make sure you're logged into your GitHub account and on the main page of the repository where you want to create a folder. This is where all of your project content goes. We will start by creating a new folder. Click the Add File button at the top of the page, then select Create New File from the drop-down menu. You will be redirected to the file creation interface. You'll notice a text input field to name the new file, and the Create a Euro button below. Now, it doesn't matter what the name of the file is. The next step is key for creating the actual folder. In the file name field, type the desired name of your new folder, then add a / at the end of the folder name. This lets GitHub know that you are requesting a new folder. Next, add a file name after the / It is best practice to create a README file for each directory, so let's type README immediately after the directory _name. After that, prepare to input content into your new file. Scroll down to the Commit New File section, write a short description explaining what this does in the repository, and click the green Commit New File button. That's it. You've successfully created a folder and a file within it. Now, let's upload files to it. Click the new directory that you just created. You will see the contents of the directory. Click the Add File button. Then select Upload Files from the drop-down menu. You will be redirected to the next step, where you can select your target files. Choose the files from your local system that you want to upload into this folder. You can upload any file type you need. GitHub will upload the files for you, and then display the Commit Changes box. Write a meaningful commit message, and then click on the Commit Changes button. Congratulations, you've now uploaded your files, and your repository is now better organized. Remember to organize your files for easier collaboration and version control. Keep coding.